Tea is steaming. Woo-wee! Starting to get hot, bro. See what the sandwich is looking like. Today we're outside THG's Hot Chicken. It's a viral chicken spot. I've been seen on the gram. You know what I do? I had to come check it out. Let's see what it's talking about. Oh, am I gonna grab? Ooh. Let me see. Prices are not bad, so I think I'm gonna grab like combo 4, Nashville hot chicken. Yeah, I wanted to grab combo number 4. What levels do you have? What levels of spice do you have? Okay. Okay, can I get one of them, like just regular hot? Tio's hottest? And jumbo tender, make it hot as well. That's everything. That's everything, yeah. It comes with fries, right?
Yeah, it
Okay,
does.
cool.
But it only comes with one chicken sauce.
It comes with one chicken sauce?
One chicken sauce.
What sauce does it come with?
Like only a chicken sauce, which is like a sweet sauce.
Yeah, on the side or on the
On
sandwich?
the side.
What's it called?
Chicken sauce.
Chicken sauce?
We have everything to list over there.
Yeah.
And then the garlic and black and red. So get ready all of that.
Okay, let me get one extra chicken sauce. And let me get the spicy. You have the spicy black and ranch? Let me get one spicy black and ranch.
May I please have your name, sir?
George? So as you can see, the price of the 2 sliders and the tender by itself I got. Price. It's a little up there. It's not bad though. It's not bad. $32. Can't go wrong with that. You got a mac and cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thanks. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, have a good day. Yeah. They gave us a complimentary. I don't know what this is, but 30-minute wait, bro. 30-minute wait. Hopefully the food's popping. See what the sandwich is looking like. Not too many toppings. We got the coleslaw. We got some pickles. We got the super hot, hottest level chicken tender. Nice little bun. Fries are looking nice and seasoned. Got some pickles over here. Take a look at that. It's a tender by itself. Look at the redness on that. Look at the crispiness on that. Nice and warm. I ain't gonna try this first though. Let me try mac and cheese. Let me see how the mac and cheese looks. It looks alright. It doesn't look like what it looked like on a menu. On a menu, they had parsley on it. Over here, it looks kind of plain. Tea is steaming. Alright, so let's give the mac and cheese a taste. Mmm. Woo! Hot. Mmm. As you can see, it doesn't really have too much of a cheese pull to it. The flavor is alright. I feel like the macaroni could have been cooked a little bit more. It's a little bit too saucy. It's not bad though. It's kind of giving KD though, to be honest. This, out of 10, I'm gonna give this like a 6 out of 10. It's not bad. It's not the best. Not the worst. It's a solid mac and cheese. All right, as you can see, the tender. I think I got it mild, the mild tender. Take a bite. Actually, I'm gonna try the fries first. Fries first, obviously. Fries first, nice and seasoned. Mmm. Nice crunch to it. A decent flavor, not too much salt. Take a look at those fries. Crinkly fries. Not a big crinkly fries fan, but these are decent. Let me try with the sauce. So this is their house sauce, the chicken sauce. They call it chicken sauce over there. Mmm. Yeah, this is a nice combination. It's giving like mustard, mayo, ketchup, solid sauce. I was supposed to get like garlic dipping sauce, but looks like they messed it up. Something like. All right, so you're gonna try tender. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, it's a solid tender. Crispy, well seasoned. This is a mild, so it's not too hot. But you can taste a little bit of heat that it has. I'm gonna try it with their special burger sauce, chicken sauce, burger sauce, whatever you want to call it. Not bad. Not bad. Tender by itself, we give it like an 8 out of 10. It's a solid tender. With the sauce, 8.5. Now, let's get to the sandwich. Look at that redness on that, bro. Holy shit. You see that? Hold on, let me pull this up. Look at that. Red hot. All right, I'm gonna take a bite. Let's put this down real quick. I think this is called a Raging Hot chicken sandwich. Take a bite, let you guys know what it's saying. Mm, okay. It's given this hot chicken, to be honest. It's a solid sandwich. I like it. This is the hottest level, by the way. I can feel the heat. The heat's intensifying. The cheese is doing its thing. Pickles is doing its thing. Coleslaw doing its thing. The special sauce is good. British brioche bun, hitting. Yeah, I fuck with it still. This sandwich right here, I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. It's a solid sandwich. See the cheese, you see the pickles, coleslaw, special sauce. Woo-wee! Starting to get hot, bro. No, it's enough for this for now. One more thing. Hold up. So last on the menu, we got some pudding. Let's say some banana pudding. We got this complimentary from the nice cashier at the front. I like to thank her. All right, let's see what this is saying. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. You can taste the banana, the cream on the top, or see that's what it's looking like. It's not bad. It's good for cooling down the heat. But I'm gonna give this, I'm gonna give this like a 6.5 out of 10. It's solid. Not too sweet. We'll get the job done. Keep my mouth burning. All right, bro. Whew. Fucking hot. Whew. All right. Overall, the joint itself, THG's hot chicken. I had a great experience. The cashiers were nice. The people in there were nice. The look was nice. It took them a while to serve the food though, but I can't hate on them because we were there for like 2 minutes, and after nobody was there, and then there's like 20 people there in like 5 minutes. So, but yeah, it took them like 30 minutes to service the food. I'm not mad about that. When I give them out of 10, overall is I'm gonna give them like a 9 out of 10. It's a solid spot. I come back, and I want you guys to come try it out because it's actually fire. Anyhow, so boy Machiavelli tapping out with another video. Nice seeing you guys. Leave a comment in the comment section. Rate the video. I'm out.